Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Everyday Dishes. Today we're at Local Nomad, a popular boutique here in Phoenix, Arizona that carries cute clothing, great gifts, and the well-known CBD brand Populum. We're going to sit down with the founder of Populum and ask him a couple questions about what CBD is and how to use it. Let's head inside. Okay, so we're here with the team at Populum. We want to know, what is CBD oil and how do we use it?
So CBD stands for cannabidiol, that is derived from the hemp plant. Hemp as a plant first got deregulated in 2014 and fully got legalized in 2018 with the federal farm bill.
We have a few different ways to take it. You can take it through a tincture oil, you can do it through a cold therapy muscle rub, you can take it through a capsule, or we also have a pet line.
And that tincture is what we're using in a lot of our recipes, so make sure you check it out. We have some great popsicles, some protein balls, and other things coming your way. So tell us a little bit about the lab results that come with every single product we get from you guys.
Since CBD in the industry is pretty unregulated, it's up to each brand to regulate itself essentially. So we wanted to make sure to communicate to our customers not only how much CBD is in the product itself or in the bottle that they're purchasing, but also making sure there's no THC. Obviously as hemp, it's not psychoactive, but also that there's nothing bad in it, like mycotoxins, microbials, and residual solvents, anything when you're especially taking orally that you wouldn't want in your body.
So basically, when we buy from Populum, we can trust the product. Okay, so we asked you guys to submit some questions on social media, and one of the things you guys want to know is, what are the rules about traveling with CBD?
We do not recommend flying internationally with it, but in the United States, now that everything is legal here, as long as it's hemp derived, it's fine.
The other thing you guys want to know is, if you're applying for a job, is CBD going to show up on your drug test?
So full spectrum products do contain minimal traces of THC. If you're working for or applying for a very sensitive work environment, we would actually advise you to either shy away from CBD or to consult with the HR department.
So we're working on a really fun mocktail recipe, but I want to know, if we want to, can we put alcohol in there?
You can always put alcohol with it.
Perfect.
CBD oil is a relatively new product. We're so grateful for the Populum team for sitting down with us and answering our questions. Their transparency has made us feel super comfortable trying out a new supplement. We have loved using their tincture oil in some really great recipes that have helped us totally relax and de-stress. Of course, like any other health supplement, you want to chat with your physician before you start using it. If they're on board, head over to populum.com to grab some CBD oil with a 30-day risk-free trial. And if you're ready for more fun ways to use CBD, check out everydaydishes.com for more recipes and tips.